This is our App Geeker back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to factory reset iPhone 12 without passcode. It's common to forget your passcode that is used to unlock iPhone 12, and to fix this, you will have to put the iPhone 12 into recovery mode and restore it to factory settings. In this video, you will learn 2 ways to reset iPhone 12 without passcode. The first one is using iPhone Unlocker and the second one is to use Finder or iTunes. Both 2 methods take you through the process of entering iPhone recovery mode and restoring iPhone 12 back to factory defaults. Of course, this will erase the device and wipe all data and preferences, including your passcode. But relax, if you have a backup, you can restore your data to your iPhone 12 after it's reset. Alright, let's keep to see how to reset iPhone 12 without passcode, and get the device restored when you can't remember your password for iPhone 12, or when your iPhone 12 presents iPhone as disabled message permanently after the failed passcode attempts reach to 10. Now jump into method 1. How to reset iPhone 12 without passcode using iPhone Unlocker. This may be the easiest way to regain access when your iPhone 12 is locked and you don't know the password. The software takes care of multiple situations where you can't get into the iOS device and helps you reset it to factory condition. To figure out how to use iPhone Unlocker and unlock iPhone 12 without knowing the passcode, you need to first download it. Go to appgeeker.com, find and click iPhone Unlocker. Next, download and install it. Once installed, alright, we open the tool and start to restore iPhone 12 without passcode to its factory settings. Click Wipes Passcode tab, and then click Start button. Next, plug the iPhone 12 into computer. If it doesn't appear, you need to turn it off, and then use Volume Up, Volume Down and Side button to place it to recovery mode. So turn off the iPhone 12. Then quickly press Volume Up button, then Volume Down button, and then press Side button. Keep holding on it until you see the recovery mode screen. As you can see, your disabled iPhone 12 is connected. In the next window, select your phone details and hit Start button to proceed. Now, the software is downloading the firmware package that matches for your iPhone 12. This can be used to reset the disabled iPhone 12 without passcode. Once downloaded, a warning message box appears, informing you that your phone will be restored to factory state once you hit the Unlock button. Confirm your choice and click Unlock button to begin the process. Wait for your locked iPhone 12 to be reset. Once the progress goes to 100%, your phone is unlocked and can access it without entering the passcode. The lock screen has been removed. You can be ready to set up your phone and restore data from backup. The second part is how to reset iPhone 12 without passcode using iTunes or Finder. This is Apple's utility that allows you to factory reset an iPhone 12 without password when forgotten. As the disabled message implies, you need to connect the iPhone to iTunes to restore it from recovery mode. The process resets iPhone 12 passcode, erase all contents and return it to factory default settings. To do so, power off the iPhone 12 first. Then press and hold the side button and immediately connect your phone to your Mac or PC. Keep holding on the button, and when you see the recovery mode screen, release it. When you're in recovery mode, launch iTunes or Finder on your computer. Then, it should give you the option to restore your iPhone 12. Tap on that, then tap Restore and Update, and then tap Agree. iTunes or Finder is now downloading the software. If the download takes longer than 15 minutes, your iPhone will get out of recovery mode and you need to re-enter it. After the software has been downloaded, iTunes will then start extracting software and preparing iPhone to restore. Just wait restoring iPhone software process until iPhone 12 powers back on. Once done, you'll get a message reminding you that your iPhone has been restored. Click OK and unplug your device. So that's basically it for this video on how to reset iPhone 12 without passcode. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys unlock the disabled iPhone 12 without knowing the password. If you find this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to App Geeker channel. Also leave your comments below, and I will see you guys on the next one.